right, looking for a puller? Check this thing out. 1999 F-350 Super Duty XLT Super Cab Dually with the 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel in it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually, only 76,515 miles on it. Summer driven only. The original person that purchased this vehicle had this paint scheme, everything put on it, and used it. Drove it. It was kind of their summer camper puller vacation vehicle, and actually bought it back years later. And well maintained. There's actually miscellaneous receipts on this. June of 2020, there's $8,000 worth of service. It has a rebuilt tranny in it, new clutch, tires put on it approximately 63,000 miles in 2021. This thing's ready to roll. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cow catcher, front end protector, whatever you want to call it. Push guard on the front of this chrome, looks good. Also bug shield. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see that graphics. It's nice looking on this truck. Another thing to take a look at the lack of corrosion, rust, anything underneath in these wheel wells where you always see it. I'll show you on the other side where you can actually still see a sticker that's on the frame rail. Interior, cloth, split bench seat, so 40-20-40. There's your manual transmission, again, 6-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. And of course, you'd have 4 doors also, rear seating area, headliner. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, albeit it's going to be quick because I am indoors here. Sliding rear glass, bed liner. I noticed there were the plates that could be bolted back in if you wanted the plates bolted back in. Towing purposes. Looks like it has a newer exhaust. A little custom painting on the rear tailgate. Back in the day, I believe 94 would have been Bill Elliott, not sure about that. Signature painted on there. If you don't like it, that could always be painted over gray to match the rest of the truck. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Any questions just call in, 507-386-1726. Sales consultant, be happy to help you out with this one. I don't see this one lasting too long. Nice polished wheels on that, wow. And again, paint, nice shine to it, nice shape, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Granted, it's a 1999 model year. There may be an imperfection here or there. I was talking about that sticker on the frame rail. Check that out. Like I said, summer use only vehicle, and it shows. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Let me pull that key so we don't have to listen to that. So it looks like we do have an edge controller here also. Door panels, nice shape. Of course, power windows, power locks, mirror. Power seat over here on the driver's side. And seating surfaces. Cloth fabric, nice shape. Mentioned 4 doors. Obviously, you can get into that super cab from both sides. Exact miles. There they are, 76,515. Tell you what I'm going to do. Rather than start it first, I want to show you the engine bay. Then we'll start it real quick and I'll let you hear it run. But I don't want it running indoors anymore, and we have to. Just because we're inside here. Obviously, Sirius XM, little upgraded stereo system. AM/FM cassette CD player from back in '99. Dash looks good. Pop this hood. May need to pause this a second. May need both hands here. Tell you what, let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood open. We'll take a peek at the engine. I'm going to start it up for you. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy, what you'd expect, and engine bay. So we have a onboard trickle charger for that battery right there. So plug an extension cord in right there, and look at how clean this engine bay is. Looks like a cold air intake, different setup than stock. There it is, 7.3 liter turbo diesel. Extremely clean engine bay also. What you'd expect in a well taken care of, clean Carfax truck. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead. Like I said, I'll fire this up real quick. Let you hear it run. Any questions, call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Sounds as you'd expect. Like I said, this thing's ready to go. There'll also be a picture of the window sticker in with the still pictures if you want to see how it's equipped. Call in any questions, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Ford F-350 diesel pickup truck. Technically a 6-speed manual if you include low gear. We've got low 1, 2, 3, 4 and drive, and of course reverse. We've got some traffic as well. Stereo in this truck working great. And the wipers work, which we're testing out today as a couple sprinkles fall down during our driving video. But that's not going to stop us. Fun to drive a truck. Just sounds great. Nice looking hood. Graphics on the side. Some wood touches on the inside. And we're in overdrive. What I would call bucket seats with a piece in the middle. You could call it a multi-split bench if you like. There's a fold-down armrest in the middle. Our gauges are working great. The oil pressure is about 2/3 of the way up. So is the battery. So is the fuel. And our coolant temperature is almost 1/4 of the way up. Still warming. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. We got multiple screens. We got one down here that says Sirius XM, one over here by Edge. Actually have the heat on a little bit today, and that's working as it should. We'll just go down to third for the corner here, and it does just fine with all that torque. I believe I would call this an extended cab. Nice interior, really good condition truck. And just listen to that diesel, it's not even trying. Very cool truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 99 F-350 at UniqueClassicCars.com.